Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you on how to apply for admission to Ludwig, Maximilian University of Munich, one of the top universities in Germany. I will also explain the important things you need to know and prepare. Step 1. Choose your program. First, decide which program you want to study at LMU Munich. The university offers a variety of bachelor's, master's, and doctoral programs. Make sure to check the program's language requirements, whether it is in German or English. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. Next, check the admission requirements for your chosen program. For bachelor's programs, you usually need a high school diploma or equivalent, and for master's programs, a relevant bachelor's degree. Some programs may require language proficiency tests like TOEFL, IELTS, or TestEF. Step 3. Gather necessary documents. Prepare all required documents carefully. Typically, you need academic transcripts and certificates, proof of language proficiency, curriculum vitae, CV, motivation letter or statement of purpose, passport or ID copy, letters of recommendation, if required. Step 4. Apply online. LMU Munich accepts applications through the online portal. Visit the official LMU Munich website and create an account. Fill out the application form accurately and upload all your documents. Step 5. Pay application fees. Some programs may require a small application fee. Make sure to pay it on time to complete your application. Step 6. Wait for admission decision. After submitting your application, wait for the admission decision. LMU Munich may contact you for additional documents or interviews, so check your email regularly. Step 7. Enroll and apply for visa. Once accepted, complete your enrollment process online. If you are an international student, apply for a student visa and prepare for your move to Germany. Step 8. Start your studies. After arrival, attend the orientation program if available. Get your student ID and start your exciting journey at LMU Munich. Remember, planning ahead and being organized is key to a successful application. I hope this guide helps you in your admission process. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your studies at Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich.